All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Nissan Altima. It is the 2.5S model. This beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls. I believe it has backup camera. 33,000 miles on this guy. Best of all, little damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Here, front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood looks decent. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's hubcap. It's got a little bit of some craparola around here. Might want to get a new one or refinish this one. The tire thread here seems to be under 4/32. This door looks pretty good. Does have a dent here with some paint off. It has been touched up. It's about 2 inches from here to here. Boom. All right, this door looks pretty decent. This rear quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. The tire thread back here is just at 6/32, as you can see there. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat, as you can see. Just found the key in there. Does not belong to this car. 1 second, guys. Put this key away. All right. You got turn on. This is a push start system here. All right. Sorry. Turn on this radio here for you guys. Boom. Spanish music going like crazy. AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right there. You got your backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light. Boom. And your mileage of 33,973. Pretty much completes the tour. Look in here. Good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Here is your rear passenger seat. And what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty decent. Does seem to have some scuffing here. Boom. Alright. Rear deck lid. Looks good. Your rear trunk space, what that looks like. You got a spare tire up in here. Boom, with some tools and such. Look around. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And tire thread here is a little bit over 6/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your front door here looks the same. No holes, no tears, no rips. Here's your front passenger seat. Have a hole here? Nope. No holes, no tears, no rips to this. And your front fender looks pretty damn nice. Here's your front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread, pretty consistent here at 3/32, just like the other side. Yeah, this is a little less meat here than in the side. Inside, a little 4/32 around. I didn't turn on the lights. Let me do that really quick. Lights are working. Folks, once again, a 2016 Nissan Altima 2.5S model with 33,000 miles. Questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.